Stop for a moment. This is not a prayer you watch. This is a prayer you enter. To extol God is to lift His name above everything in your life. Every fear, every burden, every lie. It is to remind your soul who your God is. So lift your voice, even if it's just a whisper, and extol Him with me. O God, I will extol you from the rising of the sun to its going down. Your name is higher than the heavens. Your glory stretches beyond the ends of the earth. There is none like you, O Holy One, enthroned above all creation, yet mindful of the lowly, near to the broken in spirit. I will lift up your name in the assembly and declare your greatness among the nations. For you alone are worthy, worthy of honor, worthy of power, worthy of all praise. You spoke, and the foundations were laid. You breathed, and life was formed. By your hand the stars hold their place. Yet you know my name and call me your own. Who is like God, who stoops to behold the heavens and the earth, who lifts the poor from the dust and sets them among princes? Your mercy is from everlasting to everlasting. Your truth stands through all generations. You are righteous in all your ways and faithful in all your works. I will extol you in the morning light, and I will praise you in the night watches. When I am strong, you are my song. When I am weak, you are my strength. Let my mouth be filled with your praise, and my heart overflow with thanksgiving. Let every breath I have be an offering before you. Great are you, O God, greatly to be praised, and your greatness is unsearchable. So I will bless you while I live, and lift up my hands in your name forever. Hallelujah.